Hi guys, for today we're doing this. Oh, it's not on yet. Person-
I'm coming! I'm coming! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Kagahapon lang yan guys. Guys, this is for a long time when I'm 6 years, 6 years old na nga ako na yun. It's 2 years ago or 1 years ago. When it's 2023. I don't know when it's January, March, February, March, April, May, June. Oh yeah, that's April. That's me. I don't know when. Yeah, it's April. Pagkatapos ng April is 2 years ago. Hello, what's your name?
Hello! What's your name?
When you charge it, you're gonna do it right here.
Hey kids!
Yeah.
I have a super famous band! Come on! Join us!
That is the song.
Ahem! I have something interesting to tell you! Hey diddle diddle!
What is that?
Take a break!
What you're gonna say, guys? Tell it. I like speak something, guys. Ooh, I like that. I like that.
Isado mo muna naman sa pinto.
Mami, naka-vlog ako.
I like I'll always be here.
Wait lang,
See you
guys.
next time.
We have the book. This is the standard. Also, hanggang 12 the book. 12. But this is number 8. I wish I have the butterfly song. I want itong kanta with
Sige.
you. Yes? Hi, Kuya. I'm vlogging. Simbahan. And hi, guys. Let's open again. Let's open it again.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Yung damit niya, ilagay ganyan.
Okay. Hey!
English, I like. Book 8.
Okay, so I gotta get it here. Because it's so super bright. Oh, this is my favorite. Wow. I have to go there. Oh, is this one?
Hi. Let's play games. This is the bus
Bakit
station.
ka sasaksak?
Welcome to the bus station. Find the phrase bus station. I'm not the one you're looking for. Try another one. one you're looking for. Try another one.
Oh,
What's that?
Hi, let's play
Yes.
games. This is the bus station. Welcome to the bus station. Find the phrase bus station.
What did you say? The tour of the stop station.
Dali, nakikita mo tabi ko.
Bus station. You got it. Walk to next square. Soon, we will get to the bus station.
Where's the next station?
Hi, let's play games. This is the bank. Here we are. The bank.
Here.
Hi, let's play games. This is the bank. Here we are. Can you find the word bank? Bank. Wow, you're so smart.
Hi guys.
Dali, dali na, dali.
I'll always be here. See you next time.
Next one. This is the part 2.
Dali na, kaya ano na.
Kuya.
Chris,
English,
yeah. Iwan ka na lang dito kay Kuya.
Okay, just do it now.
Sinasabayan mo eh.
Hi,
Nag-vlog ka
let's
dyan.
play games.
Ano, may oras na. Sabi ko lang. Kailangan na tayo na.
I'm not the one you're looking for.
Bakit hindi?
Try another
Maingay, bakit
one.
inano mo yan? Bawal palang maingay.
Ito yung dapat naiingay.
Hindi, huwag kang matiran.
Hey kids,
Matiran ka.
I have a super famous band. Come on, join us.
Just do it again.
Game over. Try it next time. Hi, let's play games.
Pabili ha.
This
Huwag
is
ka
the
na, wala
post
kang
office. Please find a
walang pera
phrase.
dito ha. Walang
Post
pera.
office.
susi.
Sandali lang sir, sandali lang sir ha. Isa-isa lang.
Hi, let's play games. This is the post office. Please find the phrase. Post office.
Naubos ang dahon,
Post
naubos ang
office.
bunga.
You got it. Walk to next square.
Naubos ang bunga. Naubos ang dahon.
Hi, let's play games. Welcome to the restaurant. Can you find the word restaurant? Restaurant. You got it. Walk to next square.
This is the last one.
Hi, let's play games. Welcome to the restaurant. Can you find the word restaurant? Hi,
Di, ano
let's
mo?
play games.
Susi.
This is the
Kung si
library.
ano pa?
Which one is
Huh?
the word
Bakit mo?
library? Library.
Nasaan?
You got it. Walk to next square.
Now, yes, dalhin you guys
Dala na kita ka.
to my adventure. Okay. I'm gonna pause it, okay?
Pasok din ha.
So, person lang magsasalita.
Ayos na ayaw. Ha?
Ano sinuot yan? Ano ganyan ba suot mo?
Sapato.
Sandal mo.
Oh yeah, I forgot. My sandals. Okay? Get up, Daddy.
Oh.
Susi ko.
Diyan sa abag mo.
Kaya pwede pang grocery mama.
Ang alin?
Pang-pili.
Ha?
Hindi pwede. Hindi na pwede pang-pili.
Ano na pwede?
Ano? Susi.
Ha?
Susi.
Hindi ko ng appliances.
Oh. you to my adventure. Only hanggang car lang tayo, okay guys? Because we're going to a mask. We're gonna be late. Let's go, mommy. Super bright. Guys, can you see anything? It's so dark here.
Ganun. Ba't tayo maghila? Usog ka kasi konti. Kasi inaupaan mo yung
Okay.
ano dito yung pang-lock eh.
Can you see me, guys?
I'm coming! I'm coming!
I can see myself here. Hello, we're going in adventure.
Ang sabi mo bawal ang...
Into an
Sino sabi?
adventure.
Sina?
Bakit?
Hindi ko sa tutulong na sa...
Ano yung bakit may pula yan?
I'll always be here. See you next time!
Naka-break pa ako eh. Wala pang ba?
Si ano? Si ano?
Ayun. Mahirap ba? Nakakalain.
Okay, guys. So we're going.
Ito kasi si Dumo.
Here's our car.
Ay, usog yung dirito.
This is our car. Oh yeah, you kita it in our TikTok. I forgot here. I TikTok here.
Bendihala.
But it's in a long adventure.
Usog ng usog.
We need to go to the last highway in here. Of course.
Mupal lang ba yun?
Sino?
It's
Mga
hanggang
doon?
pinakatapos na highway.
Nanay.
Tap,
Sino di?
Yung
that's
mago. Mupal
Lola
lang ba
of
yun?
my teacher.
Bago.
Wala, Arman? Malapit?
This is my
Ay, oo, wala,
classmate.
hindi ko
Did
alam.
not punta here ever again. But I know in 2 days ago, she punta in my house, of course. And she already punta there. And she's doing and she's best friend. He's also my friend. But nakulitan ka siya. Nakulitan niya. Nagsalita ng Fel Cody. Okay? Siya yung nagsalita ng Fel Cody. Okay. So, okay, that's one sulfur. Of course, yes, do it again.
I'm coming! I'm coming!
Among Us.
Dating maintenance yung dito.
Sino?
Yung
Oh,
yung nauna.
bakit?
Dating maintenance yung dito. Nakita ko yung nagkasgapan.
I'll always
Bawal
be
naman kayo
here.
dito sa
See you
mga.
next time!
Nagkakras cutter.
Ah,
Okay.
Dilinis ng pool. Yung mataba naman dati makulit. Nasa company na rin magtatrabaho, sabi niya. Ano? Yung Bisaya rin. At sa pag
Okay.
nagka-crash cutter yan. Ma'am!
Okay. Can you see me, guys? Is it dark? Our culture is so dark.
siya ng Skyflix mo tsaka Coke mo. Makita mo sa mukha nila eh. Siguro pag gutom tapos uhaw. Pero di sila nanghihingi. Nung wala akong magbigay, sabi ko, magkape ka doon sa ano yun, sa barracks. Wala akong ano, mainom. Ito na lang, kape ka na lang doon.
And
Mabait kasi sa kanila, ano yung kataligan niya, pag may ano, unahin kanila. Inisan yung ano. Hindi ko na makita ko yung Miss Bisaya.
Okay.
At siya na lang anuhin ko, paano ko yung tinda ko ng avocado nandiyon na sa ano ng mineral ko. Kailangan makakat yung isa na sa ano eh. Why? Yung sinabihan ko kasi si ano, yung kapatid ni Jill.
okay,
Oo,
bye-bye
magpunta ko ng
guys.
bingo. Naging
See you
Huwebes.
in the
Bingo
next
ulit. Ay, iwan ko
video.
sa'yo.
Okay guys,
Sabi
bye-bye.
Bahala
Well, I get my gift, you're talking behind the back.